In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a 2-column bullet list in Google Docs. So what we want to do is create 2 bullet lists in this document. And what we need to do is go to Insert. After that, we are searching for the table option. And now we have to select how much columns we would like to add. So let's say we would like to add 2. So select 2. And as you can see, we have added a column into this document. Now, select the table, right click on it, and there you will find table properties. Select that one, and as you can see, we have now some options. So once we have opened that, we will see different options. We scroll all the way down till you see color, and we are using that option. So what we would like to do is select the table border thickness and set it to 0. Once you have done that, you will see that the border color is disappearing. Now, the next step is to add our text. So let's say test 1, test 2, and for the other side we will do test 3, test 4. Now select the text you would like to bullet point, add a bullet point by clicking on this icon, and you will see that this bullet point will appear. So backspace the second word, add it, and now you have created a bullet point. For the other side, the same options. So select the bullet list, now click in front of the second word and backspace it and add it again. And as you can see, we have now created a bullet point list. You can also select these and use the checkmark box. If you would like to create a checklist, you can select this option and there will be added a checklist box. So now once you have clicked the checkbox, it will be marked as checked. And that is basically how you create a 2-column bullet list in Google Docs. Thank you for watching.